Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow romaine lettuce. First, select a healthy romaine lettuce base, ensuring it's about 2 inches tall. Place this base into a shallow dish, adding just 1 inch of fresh water. Remember to change the water every 1 to 2 days to keep it clean and prevent any mold from forming. You'll soon see new roots and leaves emerging from the center. This simple step is crucial for successful regrowth. Once your romaine base has developed roots that are 2 to 3 inches long, it's time to plant it in soil. Choose a pot that is at least 6 inches deep and has good drainage holes. Gently bury the base, leaving the top 1/4 of the lettuce exposed. Water it thoroughly after planting, and continue to water regularly, ensuring the soil remains consistently moist but not waterlogged. You can begin harvesting your romaine lettuce when the outer leaves reach 6 to 8 inches in height. To harvest, simply cut the outer leaves about 1 inch above the base, leaving the inner leaves to continue growing. This method allows the plant to regrow, providing you with multiple harvests from a single base. You'll love the convenience of fresh, crisp lettuce right from your garden, ready for salads and sandwiches. For the best results, ensure your romaine lettuce receives 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. If growing indoors, a grow light can be very beneficial. Fertilize your plants every 2 to 3 weeks with a balanced liquid feed to encourage robust growth. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it. With these tips, you'll enjoy a continuous supply of fresh romaine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.